Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add a CERS number to a shipment in the Fresa application. The CERS number, Canadian Export Reporting System number, is issued when an export declaration is successfully submitted to the Canada Border Service Agency. It serves as proof that a shipment has been reported to the Canadian Customs. This number is required by freight forwarders, carriers, and shipping lines before the shipment departs from Canada. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, open the respective shipment. In the Shipment Details page, navigate to the Reference tab. Select the reference type as CERS number. Enter the CERS number in the Reference Number field. And enter the date and click the Save button. The CERS number will be successfully added to the shipment page. These are the steps to add a CERS number to a shipment in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.